Have you ever wondered how your videos would look in your favorite anime's vibrant, dynamic style? I did too, and after much research, I found an amazing AI technology that can transform your regular videos into stunning anime-style masterpieces. Today, I'm excited to share this with you. In this video, you'll learn how to use AI to convert your normal videos into eye-catching anime. Ready to unleash your creativity? Let's dive in. Step 1. The AI tool we will be using in this video is LensGo AI. You can get the link in the description of this video and sign up for LensGo AI. After that, you will receive 100 credits as a welcome bonus and 50 points daily. Then you will see different features like create images, text to video, and style transfer. Step 2. For the sake of this tutorial, we will navigate through the text to video option. Then at the top left corner, you will click model and see two options, Real Prime and Anime Prime. To convert your to animation format, you will click on Anime Prime. You can also change the dimensions of the video, and you can choose any of them depending on your choice. You can also select video duration, either normal or longer, but for the sake of the tutorial, I will choose short. Step 3. Upload the original video you want to convert into an anime video by clicking on Upload Video at the bottom left corner and upload the video. Step 4. Write the prompt by typing what the character in the video is presently doing. For example, the character in this video is a young lady dancing and smiling. Then click Generate and wait for LensGo to do its magic. After that, you can click on Download. Now you have it, transforming your video into an anime video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Remember to watch the video at the end screen of this video. You will absolutely love it.